Good evening from a very wet Magic Kingdom. It is raining, unfortunately, but that's not going to stop us from having a good couple of hours here at the Magic Kingdom. I head down Main Street USA right now, probably via the Emporium because it's raining and I don't want to get wet. So we're going to head out there now, head up towards PhilharMagic and go and ride that, and hopefully by that point, Sean and Caroline, Sean Vlog and Mr. Jason Goodwin will be here. Time for a bit of PhilharMagic, nice bit of aircon and a great show as well.
Put on your special opera glasses till someone tells you.
I don't see why people don't just move across the roads as they're told to. Anyway, we are here at PhilharMagic. We can't film the show, but I shall see you afterwards. So that was PhilharMagic, all done and dusted. I said in my February series from last year, it's not the same. It's got lots of broken effects again. Didn't get any wind, any of the champagne bottles popping, didn't get any of the water, spotlights weren't working, and Donald was missing at the end as well. So it definitely needs some work. Definitely needs an update. Head over to Jungle Cruise, assuming the wait time isn't too bad for Fast Pass, because I do have one. I am actually going to head onto that. And then fireworks are at 9 o'clock tonight. There we go, it has focused. Fireworks are at 9 o'clock tonight. So hopefully by that point Sean and Caroline will have arrived. They got stuck in a bit of traffic on the I-4 by the sounds of it. So, hopefully they'll be here by the time the fireworks start. Grab a reasonable spot, at least to see it. It should be about an hour until the fireworks start now. It's just gone 8 o'clock. So I reckon we can get a quick ride on the Jungle Cruise, and then we're going to head out and watch the fireworks. So, head over to Jungle Cruise now. See you when we get there.
Pick up your most favorite hand. Mine's my left one. And wave goodbye to the dock. Oh, I'm sorry, that's weird. Wave goodbye to the people on the dock. Now keep it going for my fans. Not those guys, I don't know them. The people ones on the ceiling, silly goose. Well, welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. We are famous for being world famous, I think. I'm not really sure. My name is Sarah, and for the next 10 days and 5 romantic nights, I'm going to be your skipper. Now, who on board believes that a captain should go down with the ship? Yes, ma'am. What is your name? Meredith. Meredith, perfect. If the ship starts to sink in, Meredith is your new captain, okay? Remember that. Also, we're going to do a quick little boat tour here. Everyone look up. That's the top of the boat. Everyone look down. That's the bottom of the boat. At the bottom it comes the top becomes the bottom. Start swimming. Okay? Alright, well we are now entering the Amazon rainforest. And it rains like 365 days a year, and I was never a history wizard. If you carry the one, it's like almost every other day. We are now on the Congo River, so let's see how far we can go. Alright everyone, these jokes are not going to get any better, so if you don't start laughing now, it's going to be a very painful 10 to 12 minutes, okay? Well, we are now turning down the Nile. What is the longest river in the whole world? It just goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles, and if you don't believe me, you're in
disbelief.
Denial would have been a better one. My name is Schweitzer Falls. Now it is named after that most famous explorer, Dr. Falls. But don't worry about that now. We'll go over it later. Lean in, everyone. Lean in. You feel a nice cool mist upon your face? Yeah, thousands of bacteria in there. But don't worry, free of charge. Well, everyone, this is the moment you've been waiting for. The 8th wonder of the world, and it's not something you see every day. It's the backside of water.
Yay!
O2H, O2H, O2H. Okay, no, we didn't like that one. All right, we'll note to self only make that joke periodically. All right, well, I just want to take a few moments now and point out some of my most favorite Jungle Cruise plans. That one. That one for sure. And that one. Any questions? Alright, would at all times. You see a dock on the left and a dock on the right. We call that a paradox because it's kind of confusing. Not to be confused with two khaki on the dock. Those are a pair of doors. If you've enjoyed your cruise tonight, my name is Skipper Sarah, and if you haven't, my name is Skipper Elsa, and you can let it go. Please wash your head, watch your step as you exit. If you miss your step, hit your head. Please watch your language. It's the family theme park.
So that was a pretty standard jungle cruise, nothing special. Still funny though, some good jokes in there, but they're all jokes I've heard before. But that is because I have been on the ride so many times. Anyway, Sean and Caroline and Jason have just arrived. Caroline's just texting to say they are in the park, in front of Main Street USA, so I'm now heading back out to the hub, to the castle area. And I'm going to find where they are so we can watch the fireworks. They start in 35 minutes. Going to grab a spot for Happily Ever After. An incredibly busy night again here at the Magic Kingdom. Because of the Halloween party, a lot of people only have a few select days they can see Happily Ever After. So it's incredibly busy. Not quite sure where we're going to stand for fireworks. Hopefully we'll have a decent spot though. So it is so busy here at the Magic Kingdom that we have actually not been able to get a spot for the fireworks. We are actually heading down Main Street USA, which is packed. And we'll probably not see half the show. noticed we are now not at the Magic Kingdom. It was incredibly busy, as you saw. Very, very busy. Couldn't get a very good shot for the fireworks. You saw a little bit, not too much unfortunately. But we have now come over to the Grand Floridian because the new lounge was supposed to be open. It doesn't look like it is. It might be. Who knows? We're going to have a look right now. The new Beauty and the Beast lounge is open. So we're going to head over there now, go and have a look around. And probably not going to get anything, but we're going to check it out and see what it's like. of me staying here Christmas last year. I'll leave the link to that vlog in the description down below. Come and check out what club level was like here at the Grand Floridian. Very short little video, but it was a great stay, really enjoyed it. Whether it was worth the money, that's another question for another day, but it was definitely fun. So check out that video down below if you want to see what it's like staying here at the Grand Floridian. Alright, don't think I mentioned this, we're joined by Kitty, she's made it! The Enchanted Rose with the reflection of Sean. And the second room at the Enchanted Rose. The lesser spotted vloggers. So we are now back here at Pop Century. Left Sean and Caroline, Jason and Kitty. We just stopped off at the Pop food court, grabbed something quick to eat. I had a cookie brookie, turtle brookie I think it was. It's alright. Probably wasn't worth the money, but it was alright, it was edible. I feel a little bit sick now though. But they stopped off for something to eat as well with me. And they're now heading back to the villa. I'm now heading back to my room. So, thank you very much for joining me this evening at the Magic Kingdom and then over to the Grand Floridian. Hope you enjoyed looking at the new Beauty and the Beast Enchanted Rose Lounge. It was pretty awesome. Didn't drink or eat anything there, but they had a pretty decent selection. And it was really well themed and everything. So yeah, if you do go to the Enchanted Rose, let me know what you think of it, because it looks fantastic. Anyway, that is going to do it for today's vlog. Join me tomorrow as we are going to Volcano Bay, we're going to Animal Kingdom, and then it's over to Epcot for Epcot Forever, the fireworks spectacular, the new one, which will be fantastic. So thank you very much for watching today's vlog. If you're not already following me on social media, my Twitter is @NathanStaker1, my Instagram is @NathanStaker, and don't forget you can also reach out to me via email, it's nathan.staker@gmail.com. So thank you very much for watching, I'll see you real soon, bye bye.